Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about passive income ideas for lazy people. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Rent out your vehicle. Use Turo and rent out your car. Just like Airbnb renting out your place to short-term renters, you can do the same thing with your vehicle. Think about it. Are you home all weekend? Do your midweek days off result in you just hanging in your home? Why not rent out your car during this time? You can earn income this way by doing absolutely nothing, and you'll know that your vehicle is getting regular runs, which is essential to make sure that you keep it tuned up. Passive income, and you really aren't giving up anything to get it. Well, except for your car keys. 2. Renting out your home. This works the same way car rental does. If you have an investment property, or have your own home, including houseboats and condos, look to Airbnb. You can make a lot of money with short-term rentals using your own home. This is a no-brainer. Keep in mind, you can also still live in your home, making a killing renting out a spare room, the garage, even a houseboat you own, etc. Think about it. One spare room at $75/night. Rents out 10 nights/month equals $750. One entire house at $200/night. Rents out 10 nights/month equals $2,000. All it takes is a bit of space that you really aren't using, and you'll be able to enjoy the comfort of knowing that you aren't wasting time or space. Plus, you'll be able to still use it freely when you want, since you sent the availability up based on when you want it listed. Don't want anyone in for 2 weeks in December. You can specify that. You're still in control. 3. Teach courses online. Create a course. Sell it. That's it. Simple formula, right? It's really great for those with education and the background to set it up. Imagine this. You write an awesome course and price it at $100. You sell around 20/month. That's a cool $2,000 passively earned. If you make more courses, you can double your earnings and even more than that. 4. Write ebooks. Just like courses, you can make a lot of money by writing ebooks. Write it. Sell it. Just like that. Ebooks are usually priced lower than courses, but the friendlier price point may result in a greater number of sales. Plus, you can get some great reviews for the ebooks too. Tips for creating awesome ebooks. Write for your audience. Your audience determines whether your book sells or not, really, so make sure that always keep them and their needs in mind. Solve a problem or answer a burning question. Your ebook should exist for a reason. Remember that reason while writing it. Make it professional. Make sure it's thoroughly edited and proofread so that it is professional. Test it. Beta readers can be the best way to see how your book is performing. A lot of them are affordable or even free. 5. Create digital products. Just like courses and ebooks, creating digital products are a great way to make income passively. Multiply the number of products you create to make even more money. Don't overthink this too much. Create your product using tools you already have access to, like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, Canva, etc. Distribute using tools like Sendal or Gumroad. You don't need to invest in expensive equipment in order to make a profit from it. 6. Become a blogger. This is specifically with blogging. Blogging is awesome because it can be very fruitful. There are bloggers earning $100,000 per month. Learn how to start your blog super easily and start your journey to making money passively by writing about things that matter to you. 7. Turn into a remote helper. A menial helper is somebody who offers authoritative types of assistance to clients from a distant area, like a workspace. Remote helpers handle a wide range of responsibilities regarding their clients, including making travel arrangements, performing web research, and browsing messages. 8. Test sites. One more method for bringing in cash from home is by involving destinations that pay you for your understanding of how well a particular site functions. As a rule, you need to breeze through an assessment to be acknowledged, and afterward, you will be paid for each test you perform. You might even have the choice of acquiring extra remuneration to take an interest in a video conversation with the client subsequent to finishing the test. 9. Sell your own things on the web. Study your home and search for things that you never again use. You can then list those things on various internet business destinations to track down purchasers. To get the best deals, it's vital to take clear, high-goal photographs of your pieces. Perform research online to observe how much comparable things are being sold for, and afterward value your own things seriously. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.